Okay, Mason is at school, so now it's Aiden's turn. He's 4. And he's going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Mason did this in about 2 minutes. Let's see how long it takes Aiden. Looking good. Come on, I can't see it. You want this to be on camera, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so wanted to be on camera.
You don't?
No.
While I'm videotaping you. Go for it, babe.
Mom.
Spread it to the corners. Yeah, stretch it to the corners. You can kind of turn the bread around so you can get each corner. You know, turn it around. Like the bread, kind of like move it around. Oh, you're going to lick the peanut butter? Well, that's good. Normally, we don't do that.
Why?
Because if you're sick, you're going to get your germs on the peanut butter. And then everybody else is going to get sick. So when you're done, you can lick it, okay? Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling Clementine.
Can you stop singing?
Okay, I'll stop singing.
The torches and the people and we can talk.
Can I sing another song?
And Papa did. Oh man, oh. What the oh. Oh man, oh. What the oh.
Okay, can you finish your sandwich? You're already 2 minutes, so it's time to start putting the jelly on, okay? So wipe off the peanut butter on the other bread.
I want it one.
Wipe off the peanut butter.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good way to wipe it off. But you know what? I'm going to get you another knife because you're not going to put that knife in the jelly. So here we go. Let me get you another knife. Here you go. Now you can put a clean knife in the jelly. Okay, Mr. Star Wars guy. All right, let's be nice. Be gentle to the bread.
Okay. What can you put it in?
Oh, I can tell this is going to be a long video. Let's wrap it up in 30 seconds. Put it on the bread. Put it on the bread.
Okay.
A little bit more. Get a little bit more. Oh, no. Don't wipe it on your clean shirt. Here. There's a napkin. Wipe it on the napkin.
Okay.
Okay. Now, get some more jelly. You need a little bit more.
Okay.
That's good. Oh, fell off. There you go.
Beautiful.
Good job. Okay.
We can whip it off.
Okay.
We can't have to touch
Are you going to spread that a little bit more? Because you need to spread it. Yeah. Spread it. There you go. Spread it to the edges. Maybe you need a little bit more jelly. Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Here, I'm going to help you. I'm going to, oh, good. Put it on there. Put it on there. There you go. Spread it.
Stick to the knot.
Spread it to the edge. Now turn the bread around. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I got cherry on it.
That's okay, I licked it.
Okay.
Okay, now spread it. Spread it, spread it, spread it to the edge. Cover all the bread. That's good jelly, isn't it? What is that? Raspberry? Danish choice? Nummy, nummy.
Me with the top.
Okay. You gonna put it together now?
No. We need moo, 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 moo.
No. That's enough. You gotta spread it. I'm gonna show you. Can I help you? Because you can't have any more jelly. It's too much sugar. So you take it.
No!
Well, let me show you. I'm not going to do it. You take it and spread it like this and go to the edge. Now you do the rest of it. There you go. Spread it. Use the tip of your knife. See the tip of your knife? Like this. I'll do one more side. You take the tip and you move it. And you take the tip and you move it. Now spread it and then put it together.
We take the tip and then move it.
Okay, it's pretty much on the bread. Why don't you put it together and cut it? Otherwise, I'm going to run out of battery. Okay? Put the sandwich together. Now, after you lick the knife, we don't put it back in the jar. Okay?
Oh.
Now put the... Oh, good. Let's not stick knives in our mouths. Okay. Now, put it together. You got one upside down. Go ahead. Put it together.
Oh.
Wipe your hands. Very good. Okay. Good job. Now, take a knife. You're going to cut it in half? Can I show you something?
No, me one.
Okay, never mind. I was going to... Never mind. You're doing just fine.
Ha!
Be careful with the knife. If you're going to be responsible with Grandma, you're going to have to use the knife carefully. Okay. Cut. Cut. Press, press, press. Now saw it. Saw it. You're going to do it both ways.
Oh.
Cut it all the way down. Now kind of saw it back and forth like this.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Saw, move your fingers and hands out of the way so you don't get poked with the knife. There you go. Okay, yeah. There you go. All right, can you give me a smile? You did good. I'm very proud of you.
How many little tats?
I'll help you.
No.
Okay. Cut, saw.
Ta.
Saw it. There you go. Keep sawing like a saw, back and forth. You gotta hold on to the sandwich. Hold on to the sandwich. Like this, back and forth. Well, press. You gotta press too. Press it down. There you go.
All the way.
There you go, all the way. Okay. Honey, give me a smile. We're gonna wrap up the camera. Say, I made my first peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Me make my little peanut butter toy.
Love you.
Hello.